Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'm going to show you how to create a variant product. You go into the inventory tab, products. I already started one. So within this attribute and variant tab is where you'll set this up. There's an array of different variants. You can create these in the configuration section here. We're just going to use one that already exists. Do a simple one like color, and then values, same thing. You can create all these values. We're going to select dark blue and green, and then we'll save that. Once that's saved, you can see now within this larger product we have two variants. And then we can click in here, create separate internal references for them. This one's the dark blue. You can set individual costs, sale prices, product weights, etc. But it really is as simple as that. And then same thing, these products are also managed by the settings here on the parent product. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.